like the environment.
I want to make my community better.
I like working with machines and fixing things.
I like to make sure that people are safe.
I want to be part of a team and do something fun.
I like messing around with mechanical equipment.
Did you know you could use those skills in a career in public works? Public works projects are everywhere. By the time you got to school this morning, you probably have already used at least 6 of them. Stormwater, sidewalks.
Whether it's new roads, bridges, lighting that creates safer and stronger neighborhoods, or pipes that provide more reliable water and sewer service, Public Works is responsible for it.
I don't quite know what I want to do yet, but I do know I don't want to go to a 4-year college. I like to be outside, work with my hands, and be done with my job at the end of the day.
I definitely want to go to a 4-year college. I don't know exactly what I want to do yet. That's what's cool about Public Works. They got career options for both of us. There's outside jobs, inside jobs. You can work by yourself or with others.
You can find project-oriented jobs or task-oriented jobs, mechanical, technical, communication, math, English, or leadership, whatever your skills. The real question is, what are you doing after high school?
I had no idea I would be mayor of Tacoma one day. When I was in high school, I thought I was going to be a nurse. And I don't even think I knew when I first joined council I was going to be mayor one day. So I think the lesson there is be open to opportunities when they come before you, because you may have a plan or a path, but something else may come your way, and it's okay to change your mind sometimes. A city is everything, ranging from police officers to firefighters to electricians to attorneys to elected officials like myself. And so the range of what you can do is unbelievable. I mean, you literally are running an entire city. And so we need people with all kinds of skill sets. I want people on my team who have integrity. I want people who work hard. I want people who are honest, because you can teach anyone to do anything, but you have to have those core values as an individual. The exciting thing about working for city is that you can do just about anything depending on your interests. And I think there's something important to remember too here. You know, neither of my parents went to college, and they probably had no idea what I would be one day when I grew up. It was the nurse thing that got pushed on me. But I had the privilege of being able to explore different types of fields, meeting different types of people. And so, you know, it doesn't even matter what background you come from. It's about what you want to do and what you really care about and what gets you excited. Ask yourself that. Do you really enjoy doing something outdoors? Do you enjoy working with your hands? Are you better suited to work in large groups of people? Do you like writing and making presentations? I mean, you know, what do you really care about? I mean, that's really what matters. It's like, you know, what matters most to you? And if you can figure that out, you can probably find a job in the city of Tacoma.
I like the environment. I want to be outside. I don't want to be in a lab somewhere.
My name is Jennifer Ulmer, and I am a wastewater treatment plant operator. I was always interested in environmental sciences and things like that, so I knew that I would end up somehow affecting the environment. I didn't exactly know how. I never thought that I wanted to be a wastewater treatment plant operator. I was fortunate enough that I fell into it. I applied for a wastewater treatment plant assistant, and I started out there, and I worked my way up to become an operator. The majority of your time you're spent out in the field doing things, so it's definitely lively. You're really independent. There's so many different jobs and different tasks that have to be done. You get your assignment, you go about your day, you get the job done. Well, I'm definitely an outdoors person. I enjoy hiking and fishing and stuff like that. And when we're discharging the water into the bay, I still feel confident and comfortable knowing that I can go out in the bay and I can go and catch fish and know that we weren't harming anything. So moving forward into the future, the permits and things like that from the Department of Ecology, they're going to be even stricter on what we can discharge. So we're going to be constantly upgrading and improving our process. So there's going to be a lot of learning and a lot of improvement in our technology in the next couple years. If you want to make Tacoma a clean and environmentally friendly place, this is a great place to be.
I want to make my community better.
My name's Terrence Trent. My job title is I'm a construction inspector for the city of Tacoma. I basically make sure that the contractor is building whatever we have for them to build to spec, to code, and doing a proper job. There's a lot of policing that has to go on, yes. Yeah, you can say I'm a construction cop. I'm the eyes and the ears for the city engineer. Being a part of building something and making sure something's being built with good quality is worth it. I spend time outside in the field making sure things get done, and then I spend time in the office, in front of a computer, making sure that the paperwork side of it is being done as well. If you got great attention to detail and you got good time management, this is a perfect job for you. I don't have a degree. There's other people who work with me that don't have a degree, and I make decent money. So I take a big pride in making my city better, and I love it. This is my home, and I believe in what the city of Tacoma is doing. I feel like I'm an important service to the city of Tacoma and the way things work. And I'm ecstatic to get up and go do my job every day. I love it. I tell my wife that all the time.
I like working with machines and fixing things.
Barry Roberts. I'm a heavy equipment operator with Streets and Grounds, Public Works Department, City of Tacoma. I love it. It's a challenge. I do something with heavy equipment every day. As a young kid, like most boys do, they like to play with, Tonka toys and whatnot, and the grader and the backhoes and things like that, and I always did that, so I never thought I'd have the opportunity to do it, but it's pretty cool though. My main job is running the motor grader. There's a lot that goes on with it, a lot of control knobs. I love what I do. Everybody needs to drive the roads to get back and forth to work, go grocery shopping, whatever. So obviously that's the first thing people see. The holes are so big that they're huge. And when I get done, it actually looks good. It's drivable again. And that's satisfying, to knowing that you did a good enough job the cars could drive down it. Yeah, it's a very rewarding job. I wouldn't take the supervisor test to get away from it. This is where I want to be the rest of my career here.
I like to make sure that people are safe.
My name is Emil Skeet. I'm a traffic signal technician, and what it really means is that this is my office. City of Tacoma, we have over 300 intersections, and there's only 4 in our shop that pretty much maintain the traffic signals. You know how some people have jobs and it never changes? Not this one. It's a learning experience every day you come to work. You get exposed to something new. The job is becoming more technical, but I'm growing with it. 10 years from now, it's wide open what's going to happen. And there's a lot of technology that we have to learn, new stuff, and people coming behind us, like high school kids or whatever, they're going to have to expect all of this. I would say have an interest in the sciences, because this career field is really opening the doors for a lot of things. Being part of the community in this capacity, doing this for everybody out there driving, it makes me feel good.
I want to be part of a team and do something fun. What kind of job is that?
My name is Lyle Honstein. I'm a route supervisor for the City of Tacoma Solid Waste Department. I am a garbage guy. I was the little kid that was waving at the garbage truck, so my mom always said, I always want to be a garbage man. So then in high school, you start looking at different careers you want to be, and if you want to go to college or do this or do that. Wasn't quite sure if college was what I wanted. Fortunately for me, yeah, I guess I did want to be a garbage man, and I did enjoy it. That's what clicked for me. I love my job. I get to work alone, but I get to work with other people at the same time, and then I get to deal with the customers on a daily basis too. Things are always popping up, changing it for you. You're at liberty to do what you want as long as you're getting it done, and you're getting it done safely and in a timely manner. You're your own boss. Start now, while you're in high school, with your driving record. The process has come a long way, and it's come a long way for the better over the years, but there's still a long way to go. You're going to see it changing from a garbage department to a recycling department. And you're going to see it not just here, but throughout the world. Everything is going to be, hey, what can we do with that other than dispose of it in the ground? Usually 85% of what you generate in your household is recyclable. If we could take everything that we generate as trash and have it be recycled one way or another, then we've kind of cured the trash problem. To me, it's the best job in the world. I love it.
My name is Connie Taylor. I'm a collector driver. We are at the City of Tacoma Recycling Center. This is where all the recycling magic happens. This is it. And we just started taking on styrofoam too, which is a big thing for the city residents, and we had no idea. But that's another place that I am hauling styrofoam up to IKEA in Renton. So we have a full service recycling center here, and it's great. I've been here for 21 years and I love this job. I love the physical part of it. It's a job where most of the time I am by myself, and I like that. I don't necessarily like the group type work atmosphere, so this is perfect for me, especially in the summer when the sun is shining. There's no better place to be than working outdoors. It's been a great job, great hours, great pay. It's been very secure for me, and I like that.
I like messing around with mechanical equipment.
Yeah, my name is Odell Williams, and my title is Fleet Supervisor. We are AAA for the city of Tacoma. Yeah, probably around 1,500 or so vehicles in the fleet. We do work for street maintenance. We do vans, motorcycles. There's a whole variety of array of different on-road and off-road vehicles. I want to do it right. I want to do it the best I can, and I want to I take pride in what I do. And I get pleasure out of seeing something fixed right and seeing it perform and do what it's supposed to do.
My name is Pilino E. Salazar Jr. and my job in City of Tacoma is a vehicle equipment shop attendant. I do a lot of services like police cars. Police car is always running every day. They need more attention. That's why most of the time I do police car. My dad teach me how to do this job because my dad is also a mechanic. Everything, it's my favorite.
And those are just some of the jobs that are available at Public Works. Public Works projects help us travel faster, be safer, and live healthier. They are the jobs that really make a difference every day.
If you want to be a part of that, have a fun job, make a good wage, you should think about a career in Public Works. To see more video or learn more about Public Works jobs, go to www.cityoftacoma.org.